What's the meaning of clearing? Clearing. Clearing.
Clearing. Clearing. Clearing refers to the process of settling financial transactions between two parties. It involves verifying and reconciling all trades made between them, ensuring that both sides have agreed on the terms and conditions of the transaction. Once this process is completed successfully, the transaction is considered cleared.
The result of clearing is the reduction of risk for both parties involved in the transaction. It also ensures that funds are transferred securely and efficiently, reducing the chances of errors or disputes.
Clearing is essential for maintaining a stable financial system and allowing for smooth transactions in a variety of markets.